To that bike, bro. Like, what's going on with that, bro? I just see you posted the other day.
Man, I don't even lie to you, bro. That shit went down fucked up on my ass. Like,
Fucking how,
crazy,
nigga?
bro. I was on my way here. Why you think I made it to the destination, but I can't make it back?
Nigga, that's a struggle? Another struggle, bro.
Right there. Parked up. Parked up.
I told you this nigga
But
just.
I said this though. Look at this though. Tomorrow it might be on motion.
Yeah.
I tell you this. I do this shit all day. As a matter of fact, I quit my job just today. The small.
That boy ain't playing.
I'm telling you this, man. Like, bro, I ain't even see what's the fucking point in going to work and shit. And then,
Yeah.
what's poppin', son?
Yo, something going on, cuz. Nah.
How this shit went down was
Shit, cuz.
this shit right here, bro. This shit started on my ass as soon as I reached here and I parked it. And then after I'm like, damn.
So what happened?
I'm trying to go there and just make it real quick to the crib, you understand?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I ain't trying to start that bitch out the shit.
Nah, for real?
What?
Try to start it up right now.
This shit ain't even crank it up right now.
Bro, this shit look. Bro, how much you got this for?
That's
How much you got this for? Shit, bro.
$250 right now, bro.
No.
That was my last paycheck, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. I work 48 hours a week just to make $200. Like, nah.
If y'all trying to figure out how to have one of these, make sure you comment down.
A few moments later.
Well,
So you gonna show me how to start this shit right quick, dog?
I'm gonna show you, but she ain't moving, dog. She ain't
What you
like
mean moving?
crying, dog.
Nigga, you just got this bike yesterday,
That's
ain't
what
it?
I'm saying, dog. Like, fam, do you wrong? Like, you should have let me know she wasn't sturdy, cause I was up there popping willies.
But this shit's sturdy though.
No, that's what she looked like, but nah, she cut off.
Wait, what you call this?
I call this shit, no smoke. You understand? Cause niggas don't want no smoke.
Stop lying, they call this shit dirt bike.
I told you this, man. Listen, I don't smoke around, but I stay smoking.
Whip it then, whip it. Come on, cuz.
Hold on. That's right.
What happened?
Oh,
Chill out.
She said, I tell you that, man. But she ain't.
Shit.
That's fucked up, dog. I want my bitch move, man. But right now she having a little intercourse problem, yeah.
Shit, you weren't lying about that.